Many companies in Muskegon face challenges in adapting to technological advancements. A recent survey revealed that 60% of businesses struggle with integrating new technologies into their existing systems. The integration of IT solutions is not just an option, but a necessity for modern businesses aiming to stay competitive and efficient, says Matthew Keeler, CEO of the KR Group. In Muskegon's manufacturing sector, IT solutions enhance efficiency, quality control, and supply chain management. Technologies like IoT and AI enable real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance, reducing downtime. Local manufacturers like GE Aviation have seen significant productivity gains through IT integration. In the healthcare industry, IT plays a crucial role in advancing patient care. Electronic health records and telemedicine are enhancing care quality while reducing operational costs. Mercy Health's implementation of an advanced EHR system has improved patient outcomes and streamlined administrative processes. Tourism and hospitality in Muskegon also benefit from IT innovations. Improved online booking systems, personalized marketing, and efficient management enhance the visitor experience. Businesses like Shoreline Inn and the USS Silversides Museum have adopted IT solutions to streamline operations and improve customer satisfaction. Logistics in Muskegon relies on IT for efficiency. Technologies like GPS tracking and route optimization software optimize operations. Local logistics companies have improved service delivery through advanced IT systems. Retail in Muskegon is driven by IT. E-commerce platforms and inventory management systems enhance operations. Local retailers like Meijer improve customer experiences and increase sales through IT solutions. To learn more about how Muskegon industries leverage IT, visit our website to read the full article. And don't forget to add this to your Spotify playlist for more insights.